Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesday. Just wanted to come at you real quick with all of the people out there striving to help their e-commerce clients during the holiday rush. So last minute content is always a nightmare. Thinking of things to put out, fires to put out, wrong product, wrong coupon codes. There's all sorts of crazy stuff going on in the e-commerce world, especially now that there's so many more people online pushing their products. So just a couple words of wisdom to all of you fellow e-commerce supporters. Obviously we try to get our content ready for the holidays in October, maybe November, just to be prepared. But we have found a couple things that would help you. So if you want to throw some posts out last minute, if you have the ability to ship before Christmas, then get it out. Get out some simple posts, create a banner on your website, and let them know. Let them know you can get it shipped. It can be out. Get some easy content. Throw a coupon code in for your client. Talk to them. See if we can do some free shipping last minute. See if we can do anything real quick to increase their ROI of working with you. So don't get stressed. It's been a crazy year, and we have all sorts of opportunity to learn from our mistakes, and two, the great things that we have done already. Nobody's perfect. So again, just wanted to talk to you about holiday rush, coupons, banners on your website. If your client can ship, or if you yourselves who are watching are e-commercers, then make sure that you have it set up, that you have the ability, and don't lie to a client, ever. Don't lie to a client. If you can't get it shipped by then, just let them know. Get them a great price. You want to increase your volume of sales, and let them know you'll have it shipped right after Christmas for them. Maybe send them a gift card, send them an email with something on there to provide to their friends and family saying, hey, it's coming. So again, happy Wednesday. A lot going on with our e-commerce as well. But till next week, see you soon.